Hi everybody, so welcome back to David's channel, and today let us talk about the Capital One's Auto Navigator. So the Auto Navigator is a solid tool for anyone looking to finance a car with more confidence and transparency. It lets you pre-qualify for auto loans without impacting your credit score, view personalized rates, and shop real inventory from participating dealerships all in one platform. Next is that the tool updates in real time and you can also adjust your loan terms to see how they affect monthly payments. So it is actually helpful for comparing offers before stepping into a dealership. While it is only available for new and used cars or select dealers and doesn't cover private or party sales, it is definitely worth it if you want to streamline the financing process and avoid surprises at the dealership.